The Dyna-Tite starter kit has everything you need to begin hanging ductwork or equipment with a Dyna-Tite suspension system. A custom cable counter lid, 100 cable locks, a spool of wire rope, and a cable cutter are all conveniently stowed inside a bucket for easy transport. Thread the end of the wire rope through the custom cable counter lid, and you have an easy way to measure the perfect length of cable for any job. The cable counter features a 5-digit counter and a push-button reset. It is designed for use with Duro Dyne wire rope for accurate sizing and elimination of waste. The cable counter is also available with a metric counter. The Dyna-Tite starter kit from Duro Dyne.